Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. Wish you and your family a very happy new year. So let's start this video. Before this, if you are new to my channel, please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel so that I can bring genuine news directly to you. So we are going to discuss about Suzlon Energy and Yes Bank. Both of these shares are struggling in the market, but the best part that they have the potential to provide good return. And the most important factor that we have to consider about these shares that the government is in favor of these shares. If we talk about the Suzlon Energy, then definitely future is going to for green energy, and the government is completely enhancing this sector, and they are appreciating this field of green energy. So definitely Suzlon is going to have a good chance in upcoming time. And on the other hand, we have Yes Bank. We all know that Yes Bank was almost dead at a time, but government supported this. SBI has already taken 30% stakes of this bank so that this bank sustain in the market. Now from the past 2 quarters, Yes Bank was able to provide good returns. So we'll discuss about these shares. So let's start this video with Suzlon Energy. They has started, and Suzlon Energy again on upper circuit momentum of 4.9%, and the entire week this share was in upper circuit momentum. That's why this share has given a return of 21.43%, where lowest goes to 8 rupees 30 paise and highest 10 rupees 20 paise. Within a month 43.66, within a year this share has a highest return of 45.71%. Small cap company risk is definitely going to be high, and if you are looking for entry level, this is not a good time because this share has already entered its overbought zone. That's why we are seeking this sort of upper circuit momentum. So why this share is recommended? Just because this share is belongs to green energy, and the future is completely relying on the green energy. That's why this share has a great potential to give good return in future. Now let's have a look on the financial trend of Suzlon Energy. We can clearly notice from 2018 to 2020 this share was in loss, and it starts to recover in 2021. And when it comes to the return part of this share doesn't give a good return or any dividend or bonus. But when if we try to compare it with FD rate as well, there was no return. But now this share has started to recover well in the market, and there are huge chances that this share will give a good return on upcoming time. And the most important factor for this share, the working policy of this share. This share works for the green energy, and that's why there are chances for this share to sustain in the market. Moving towards our next share, which is Yes Bank, we can clearly see on today this share has start with a good of 1.82%, and throughout the day this share has the highest of 14 rupees and lowest goes to 13 rupees 65 paise. And talking about the 1 week return, it's 3.79%, and within a month 8.73, within a year minus 23.89. Well, the good part of this share is now this share is leaving its core point of 13 rupees. Now this share is trending with a range of 14 rupees, and this was the initial target for Yes Bank to go out of its strong support zone of 13 rupees. Now this share is trending between 13 to 14 rupees, and maybe on upcoming time when the next quarter result will announce, we may see Yes Bank will do a good in the market. Overall, there is no good return for this year, and if we try to compare it with the FD rate as well, there is no comparison with FDs as well. But this share has the stamina, and now this share is in good support of government. Now this share will rule again because from the past 2 quarters this share starts to give a good return, and same goes for the PNB as well. So both PNB and Yes Bank were undergone performance just because of the scams that took place. Now PNB starts to recover well, and they had started to give good return in their quarters. That's how the Yes Bank is performing right now. And when it comes to the best part for the Yes Bank, now most of the mutual fund houses are looking for the Yes Bank, and they are continuously purchasing Yes Bank share on every month. So this share is now good for the entry level. If you are looking for entry level, this share is really good. And mid cap share, now the moderate risk is moderate. And if you are looking for the Yes Bank, yes, you can go ahead. You can consult your financial advisor as well, and this share is a long term share. So if you are expecting to have a huge return from these Suzlon or Yes Bank, then this is not the share. But if you are a long term player, then definitely you can hold this share for a long term. And the financial trend of this Yes Bank is not yet good, but we hope the way this year has given two consecutive quarters result, we may see a good return for Yes Bank in a coming time. So with this, I would like to finish this video. If you have any feedback or suggestion, please feel free to leave in the comment section. Please support me, like and subscribe this channel.